Get the was? Oh, right. Meatball, part 2. Okay, right? So, the IKEA elevator work. Part 2 meatball. Okay, so this does 1.710. Right. PewDiePie. Soup to PewDiePie. Wrong edition. So this is a PC with the meatball working. Okay, see half okay. You are bird horse again. So meatball is more right. IKEA cool. So let's go bottom. So door right mask cool. So gong back door. So this is floor right possible B glowstone working. Okay, glowstone B yeah. No. Okay, so there's a PC for 2 level floor. So Mars Royal Fitter Course again. Yup, has basically working. Okay, this is a major side glowstone block. Okay. And that's supposed to be again. Yeah, they supposed to be again. Yup, glowstone block work. Yup, this is or can. Alright. Post the B2. Okay. Y'all know we're working. So your glowstone tower. Iron same. This door again. So this is PC working. Okay, glowstone rock working. No. Okay, so there's a PC. Okay. Yeah, no IKEA elevator line work. So there's a PC working. Okay. Oops. Yeah. IKEA elevator working. PC. Okay. Your person PC working. Girl, hell. Okay. Just so. Okay, now IKEA elevator. Oh no. So bicycle work. Wrong edition working. So IKEA elevator color yellow work. Line. Good guys, no? So IKEA elevator where we go? So another prima so much better. Okay. So prima so much better. Work. Taking a working room working. Where the second half okay. Or the PC the working room. Or no? So IKEA elevator can. So okay, this PC room. Okay. PC, you know. So IKEA elevator room. Where go? So run a premise version. That no that good again working over again. Got my currency come ask you. So this is massive again. So this in work or go. Okay. Where to go? So IKEA elevator again. So hang on. Okay, IKEA elevator. So room back with torch here. With the pool bigger? Huh? Too much bigger. Okay, too much. So master rate version. Yeah, idea elevator work. So room back. Okay. Yeah, goes B, possible B. Where go? So random premise does version. So where go now? Post the B. Okay. So you would do a sneak. Post the beacon. Okay, to see this work. Proud the baby. Okay. So possible beacon. Okay. Anyway, so let's go to level again. Packet 4-3. Let's say there probably low fast. Yeah, basically no. Buffer yellow block here. 1, 2, 3. So IKEA elevator where? Oh, so this didn't work. Broke down. So idea elevator. Where toward? Yeah. Supposed to be 2, 2, 2. Okay. So those two work. So something no here there. Working. Yeah, supposed to be again. 3, 3. So IKEA elevator work. Okay, so no matter. Okay. Too fast. No. Too fast. Okay. Where go? So that work. Yes, okay. So 2, 2. Okay. Supposed to be smaller meatball working. Press the B again. Love it half again. 4, 2, 2. Okay. Where go? So that work. Good. Cause BK. Okay. Supposed to be and okay. So room back work. He also line for sun. So IKEA elevator work yesterday. Doors. So this is doors now. Oh no. Yeah. So now go machine 2 to snow. Okay. IKEA fader work. Yesterday be. Okay, so the 2 to snow. Post the B. Right? So this a line. Okay. Or again. I'll post the B. Okay. So the snow. 1. So this can be could work. Impossible can. And line this working. So the center first door working. Post the B, right? So IKEA the color blue. So this in back test can be this work. Working, yeah. So there we go. So there we go. Bring messages version work. So this is under push cross down working. Post the B torch. Okay, the torch. Where we go? Okay. Post the B torch today. Okay, something that's not first version. See if it happened to us. Let's again. Torch do 2. Okay. So this is food reckon or 4 for this. Okay. So narrow left for us floor active. So open door, right? Supposed to be hotel K. Alright. So B to center. Okay. You are supposed to begin. So supposed to be this or no. Console working. So working very good. So there matter working. So okay, working check. So let's go happen for 3. So taken down. So matter hotel, the hotel the working for 3. Stop at for 3. Anyway, so let's go check. So now, so this is basically work. Yeah, basically be half. Oops, yeah, okay. So this is matter work on the TV rock, right? Anyway, so common halfway. So room work center down. Yeah, this is including say halfway headed. Whoops, okay, that's a room. So this is bubbling work. Bubbling tile 1 2 3. Say okay. So let's go center down. work. So this is basically work. And yesterday, oh, hungry working floor. Okay. Yeah, TV frog. Work. So the remainder can then. So there are room. Have free. Good work, worker. Just see half or solar block, okay. And there's the house, okay. Post the beacon, cauldron, okay. So there's water. Pick the wall, work. Your bookcase. Yeah, tafel reckon, working. So this is bookcase, work. Bookcase, right. What's that? Work. Supposed to be, okay, right, room, house, too big. Okay, no, so anyway, so let's go jukebox. So what happened, lab working? Yeah, basically no. Or the rack. Post the decay. Okay. Here you go. So bottom working where? Punk. So punk is say. Working is Jude. Working no. Or no working is juke note. Chris Rock juke. Juke note. So let's go up and blue clay. Okay. So this is work drop work, right? So this is room worker, bubbling bee, right? So now go glowstone work. Okay. So recover measure. Okay, right? Okay. So furnace. Okay. Crafting table. Okay. Crafting table. Work. Okay. Cauldron. See happen water working. Hey. Oops. There's no whoops. Okay. So do you remember trap trip wire hook? Okay. So now working. So so active field. So where we go? Okay. So now we're possible be working. So hotel. Okay. Okay. So now already working. Tutorial motor 4 elevator working. Center. So there's a slow elevator work. 2 for 2. It's supposed to be blue. Okay. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One, two, three, four. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. So IKEA elevator. Working B. Good. So do you have? You have work. So so restaurant broken. You are post B. Okay. Post B. Where we go? Some glowstone. You can have for working. Alright. You just know. Yeah, okay. Very much too. Okay. Okay. So I'm doing this color red this here. Work. Okay. So there are power. Gain room. So to quastable IKEA elevator. Okay. Room. No. Worship door. So there's a maybe iron color wooden door. Okay. Okay. So I go pretty much here. Wow. So this is PC working. Okay. Close the door. PC. What is it? PC. Choose this. Just no. Probably B. Okay. Anyway, something already for 3 again. On the color up one. So box to elevator work. Something is 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. The axis B organ. And the first to see happen 4. We're gonna say 1, 2. Do you know what supposed to be possible? Okay. Little pop room popping every very elevator. Cool. So open door. Gonna first. So back of bedroom work. So neural monitor working. Oh no. Central mood bed work. It is a bed. And slab here work with the color burst. Yeah, this supposed to be again. And the fans. There's a house too big work. Yeah, this is back. So room work. Yeah, the color the oak now. Bubbling bee rain. So this is making color color oak. So now our monitors again working. So this is oak here. and also oak. So this is making color this door can. This door can be can work. So this should must no should must. There you go. So this influence can work. So this is now working. House beautiful. House the beautiful hotel can. So this is must this room. So there's a PC the master room can work. So this is bed working. So to buy door okay. So there's a bed here sleepy hap can night vision. So now our torch can work. So there problem be working. Reset right. Where go? Okay. So this one torch must on edition. Okay. So this is PC working. So working oak. Okay. Chris like this. No block and slam. So this is table working. So okay. The table. Okay, table. Extra table working. So this doesn't work. Work now. There we go. Okay. So now for 4. Okay. Double. Okay. So this one patch working. Right open the side. Okay, those way blue, yellow, red. Sorry, yellow and blue. So this is maybe color working. So this is impossible work. So work now. Basically be color yellow. So IKEA elevator be working. So motor for elevator. Now keep hamster. So the idea elevator working. So wrong edition working. So there's a PC. So work and have cube working. Okay. Work on the hotel working. IKEA elevator working. So IKEA elevator. Right possible B. Okay. Okay. Something that I can work. Once you so no. So does it keep IKEA house hotel work? Yeah, there has today be. Okay. So this is murder work, right? Okay. So narrow torsion 1 2. Okay. So this endure. Keep hamster. So narrow door. Okay. Hover over work. So narrow monitor work and torch. Okay. So let's go back at 4-3 and 4-2. Okay, so let's go down to climb right down 4-3. So disembark 4-2 no, 4-2 no. So do half. Sender down. So motor 4 elevator. So this is keep hamster, right? Send us down. So IKEA elevator working, so working. So this is basically hotel, right? Possible B. Okay. So this idea of it working. So there are moral side, right? And I take an up door open. There we go. Okay. So next for door. IKEA elevator. Okay. Oh man, so over would be ball. So idea can work. Idea say work. So follow to then taking the sack. Look. So this is back 4-4. So now go say half again. So there's the elevator for 2. So let's work back. But back and 4-3 again. Okay. So now go pretty much, you know. So there are bathroom full. Okay. An open door and tile. Okay. So now okay. Right again. So let's go for 3, 4-2, and a down. Goodbye now. Work. So IKEA elevator. So let's go up and 4-2 no. Yeah. So this one below stone wall. So IKEA elevator. So fast now. Okay. There we go. So IKEA elevator. Right now. Okay. So let's go call down once. So this is active now. Right? No. Sender down. So 1. So drop again. Okay. So this is stock working. You doesn't fall direct for the IKEA elevator. Okay. So pause the B. Right? So let's color up once. Okay. Near bottom, so 4-4-4-2. Here we go. So active P, no. Right? So north down. What kind of okay? Say the soup the half. So IKEA elevator reckon. So no color up once and drop. Yeah, basically base the instant right. See. So this is more half bigger. So PewDiePie drop once. Whoa, okay. Let's go and need some house hot the room work. Haha. I am too big again. Center color don't work. On the top right again. So we're supposed to be right. There we go. IKEA elevator soup. Meatball. Okay. Meatball working. Okay. So another room make. Okay. So doesn't basically work, right? Well, yeah, now the test elevator instant, right? So now your this block working choice, right? Anyway, combat jack this working. So meatball working. Okay. So let's open. There we go. So now 4 near bottom, cream for elevator. So this is super now work. Okay. Open. Okay. Anyway, have it or no? Down. Goodbye. Get in the house. Yeah, hotel. Swedish. Right. Swedish my elevator, right. Speed. Nice. So apart all the time. So okay. So working. So there are proud that I'm working up. Work. So there PewDiePie. Okay. You also do monitor right space tweet. Right. So okay. So let's open. You also small do right again. IKEA elevator. So one working. So top a big half. So this is monitor possible working elevator working. So basically glass here work. Just in the other half for please again. So matter I can be half. Oh no, here. Supposed to be right. Okay, no close, no. Right. Yes? Huh? No. Draw blue clay. So happen jack to this glass. Okay. So now go up. So that's elevator time working. What did I must say they're back. So this is later must matter, right? So yeah. So there are push button can work right there. So okay, so idea one elevator to the snow work. Anyway, so micro select this full screen now. My video settings, my elephant burger, right? Oh, the supposed to begin. Or a folder. The other version, okay. So now for 4. Say optimize work. So idea elevator work. So undertaken this now. Oh no. Some work. Facing work. Class here working room. So idea elevator work. So there are pocket this yellow there. No. See no way. Jacket. Okay. So redstone there. Okay, come on blue. Okay. Blue clay. What's the name? Or supposed to be the timing work. The hotel. Okay. So with this meatball working. Okay. We got the ruffle redstone working. Okay. Anyway, so another version this right there. Okay. So there's a first ready. There we go. Adding tutorial work. My brightness. There we go. Okay. So there are timing work inside. So let's go back at 4 right first test. No, okay. So 4-3. Okay. 4-3 near bottom. Clean soil filter. Right. Spotted the 4-3. Right. So come back 4-4. Yeah, doing right this possible work. So there's a more second sickening what's a sickening elevator idea this. So let's go up in 4-3. No. Other hack it down. So right again so much better. Okay. So much better. Right. And down. So they can open. And the door valve to right. So anyway. So I ran a primitive PewDiePie go again. And the 4 door right. So okay. Something this tutorial work. Okay. So the work. Yeah. There are friends tutorial void tutorial. Not tutorial that. So this is basically a tutorial right possible working. So another timing working. There we go. I do not know. Okay, chicken. Okay. Open. There we go time. Wait a second. So powerful P working also. So now okay. Good. So they're on. Listen. With the station. Work on messages here. Working. So there's a keep hamster, right? So her work cannot say the building is working. So keep half working and wolf. Okay. There we go. So doesn't matter working work on edition working. Okay, Thunder Wolf, right? So there's a wolf, right? Possible B. Okay. Okay, no. Okay. So now we're just hiding red. Working. Your timing on 2 delay work. There we go. Save the quick. Put singular, simpler, elevator. Right? So working the double back. So okay. Something is half down. Right? So piston ball up working. Right? Your bottom, jump in. And open. No kick and center down. So there about the back working version 1 2 1 2 1 2 3. Okay. Okay, so narrow bottom, climb higher, jump in. So down first mass right again. Okay. So there drop back to recite. Okay. Work. In a way. So mass breaker. Tutorial working. Elevator 1. Okay. So those all elevator workers, right? Okay, the door open, right? So drop, check it. So drop. Okay, understand no. So keep hamster. Okay, keep hamster. Hotel. So back door, restaurant door, right? So there's a big school work, right? Ask to be there. What does so does a CB staircase work, right? Yeah, ask to be axe. What there axe here? So back the door, right? So. Okay. Something solar my person. So another do right mobile jumbo. So now person too. Okay. So this is basically working. Okay. I can left or right. Staircase work. So there's a mobile object solar, okay, with the rocks. What's the smaller right again? Height. So there's a staircase working. So basically, Meatball restaurant door. Anyway, so another famous thanks for watching.